Alright guys, the new Insta360 GO 3S recently came out, and we're going to test it. Okay, a few little crackles. Alright guys, so Insta360, the new one just dropped 4K, Insta360 GO 3S, as you can see there. This is what it looks like. I have it mounted on my hat with the hat clip that it comes with. It's not too bad. Can see perfectly fine. It's not obstructing my vision, and I have it below, not above. I obviously have it in 4K. It's in the action mode field of view, so it's wider. Should be able to see a good amount. Let's go ahead and take off. Of course, we're going to put this in Nürburgring mode and manual. All right, and we're off. All windows down. Hopefully that doesn't turn out to be a bad thing. You hear them crackles. Hopefully the mic can pick that up. It's stock exhaust. Sounds great though. For a stock exhaust, I coated the exhaust flaps open, so the exhaust flaps are always open. That's why it sounds as good as it does stock, because I did a tiny modification. It's 8 p.m. right now, so the sun is going down. Depending on how the footage looks, I will wait to also throw in some prime sunlight footage. But yeah guys, this video is just all about the Insta360 GO 3S. Don't worry, the Golf R videos will be coming. So not even going to talk on that right now, but where's that coming from? So I can't speak on the regular 3. I know it didn't do 4K. I know this one does 4K, and that's why I was drawn to it. Not sure about the other differences, but the quality is fantastic, as y'all can see. What's this dude got his door open for? Bruh. About 45 miles an hour, and we got the windows down. It sounds loud to me. I'm not sure how this is going to sound on camera, so we're going to do all kinds of testing and get the windows up. But yeah man, as I was saying, the quality seems great, at least outside in the daytime. I haven't really tested lower lights, but it's looking good. As for the modes, if you want to do a POV drive, for my testing, the best mode is action, as it gives it that wider field of view. The mega mode also looks good, but it's too zoomed in. Way too zoomed in. Whereas the action mode, you can kind of see everything, gives a good FOV. We're gonna go this way. Too much traffic. If you're watching with headphones, you should be able to hear all that air sucking in for the turbo. And this clip mount, guys, this clip mount is perfect. Absolutely perfect for POV driving. So I know this camera is good for a lot, but if you're looking for a great POV camera for driving and car videos, it doesn't even have to be POV, it can just be car videos in general. The Insta360 GO 3S it seems like the move. I was thinking about getting the GoPro, but I wear glasses and that thing is big, so God, these roads, man. That thing is big, so I don't think it's gonna be comfortable resting up against my face with glasses on. If you don't wear glasses, it's something to look into, but if you want something that's small, low profile, I can see it at the top of my vision, but it's blurred, so it's not. Damn, we got. Oh man, I love this car. I can't wait to make some videos on this car, guys. But yeah, the camera, great quality. Lots of different FOVs and modes to choose from. Lots of different filters to choose from. You got this little guy that you can like monitor everything, so I can like turn it on, see what I'm looking at. It's perfect. Turn it off, put it down. Now obviously with every product comes some negatives. So let's go ahead and can we go? Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Charger RT thinks he can escape. That John's slow, man. Oh yeah. So as I was saying earlier, there's always going to be some negatives, and so far I've found one big negative, and hopefully we're still all right here. But the camera overheated on me already. I went to go take it out to test it, and I had it in the wrong mode, so it wasn't really high FOV. And by the time I got home after a 35-minute drive, right as soon as I pulled into the driveway, it overheated and shut off on me. And it told me it needed to cool down. Then when it cooled down, it was dead. So I don't know if it died first. Obviously, I guess it overheated first and then it died. But I'm absolutely loving this product so far. Like I was saying, that's the only negative. The app is great on the phone, but I don't really use the app all that much. I just put the files, I connect the Insta360 right into the PC, transport the files over. But this camera also has a mode where you can shoot in freeform. So if you shoot in that mode, you lose a couple of features. I don't know exactly what. I know one of them's like the auto leveling. But you also have a couple advantages, like being able to change it to vertical video for TikTok and IG Shorts and all that. But I think it's a little bit more zoomed in. So I've just been using the regular video mode under the action recording mode for the higher FOV. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead with windows up sound test. Of course, we get a red light. That's all right. I can hit you guys with a little launch control. Let's put the windows down for this. We can do the windows up test in a second. Ain't no cops behind me, is there? See, it's getting pretty dark out now. I wonder what it's looking like. Can you guys see the ambient lighting? No, I'll keep this off. Let's see what this looks like. guess you can kind of see it, but I don't know. We'll see how good this does at, you know, auto exposing and picking the shutter speed and ISO and all that. You can do that manually as well, but so now we're gonna go ahead and drive back home. We're gonna go with the windows up just to see. I'm wondering if you guys can still hear the exhaust and stuff. I mean, that obviously that has nothing to do with the camera, but I have a stock exhaust. Even though it sounds good, it's stock exhaust. All them pops and bangs and DSG farts, sounds pretty good. That's why if I get into making these videos for you guys, we're gonna be doing some upgrades for sure. I'm already talking to a local place about an exhaust. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy like the all tuning track exhaust or the Miltech race exhaust, or go fully custom exhaust, like have a exhaust shop build it. All right, it's too hot. We're going windows down again. Man, I hope, that's the thing, this has to be good with the windows down, honestly. That guy just ran a red light, so I'm trying to make sure we're good, man. These people be crazy around here. Do a little pool. Nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you liked the camera and the audio quality. Let me know if there's anything I can do to improve this setup. And yeah, man. See y'all in the next one.